Hey everyone, I'm Dean, owner of GTA Commercial Brokers. Welcome to our channel where we break down complex real estate and business topics into simple, actionable advice. Whether you're a tenant, investor, or just curious about the fine print, we've got your back. Today let's dive into a real estate trend that's turning heads in Durham Region, industrial condos. Let's get into it. These aren't your average investment properties. Industrial condos are changing the game for both investors and business owners. Durham is emerging as the hotspot, with industrial condos leading the charge. Why? Because businesses want flexibility, affordability, and ownership, without the burden of massive warehouses. E-commerce, logistics, and rising lease rates are fueling this shift. Durham's strategic location and pro-business climate make it the perfect place for this boom. Over the next few minutes, I'll break down what industrial condos are, why Durham is the place to be, and how you can get in on the action. Let's get started. Industrial condos are like residential condos, but for businesses you own a unit in a larger complex, sharing costs and amenities. This model makes industrial ownership accessible and manageable, especially compared to buying or leasing a whole warehouse. Shared maintenance means less hassle and lower costs for owners. Durham's unbeatable location, close to Toronto and major highways, makes it a logistics dream. Businesses are moving east for better value and more space, fueling local growth. The region's booming population and pro-business policies create a thriving environment. All these factors make Durham the ideal place for industrial condos to shine. For entrepreneurs and investors, the value proposition is hard to ignore. The world of e-commerce is not just growing, it's exploding. We're witnessing an unprecedented surge in online shopping, transforming how goods are bought and sold. And behind every single online order, there's a crucial need for storage and efficient shipping space. Think about it. From the moment you click buy to the package arriving at your doorstep, it all relies on industrial real estate. That's where industrial condos come in. They are proving to be the perfect solution, especially for small and medium-sized businesses that are looking to scale and grow. They provide the efficient and affordable logistics solutions these businesses desperately need to compete in today's fast-paced market. But here's the catch. Construction costs are rising significantly, impacting the feasibility of new projects. This increase in costs is making new supply increasingly scarce, creating a bottleneck in the market. As a result, existing units are becoming even more valuable, turning them into prized assets. In Durham, the situation is particularly acute. There's a limited supply of industrial land, and this scarcity is pushing prices up dramatically as demand continues to surge. Vacancy rates are at historic lows, meaning available space is incredibly hard to find. Owning an industrial asset in this environment means not only security but also significant appreciation in value over time. Durham's strategic proximity to Toronto, access to major highways, and a rapidly growing talent pool all contribute to its appeal. These factors combine to make it a top choice for businesses looking to expand or relocate. Businesses are actively relocating to Durham, drawn by the promise of a better quality of life for their employees and significantly lower operating costs. The modern work-life play trend is a major catalyst, driving more and more companies to establish a presence in Durham. This influx of businesses is fueling an unprecedented demand for flexible and adaptable industrial space. This migration represents a powerful force that's driving the current industrial condo boom in the region. So, if you're looking to capitalize on this growth, if you want in on this opportunity, now's absolutely the time to act. Don't miss out on this chance to secure your piece of Durham's thriving industrial landscape. Let's look at the numbers. In the past year, industrial condo sales in Durham jumped 35%. Prices in Pickering now range from $425 to $475 per square foot, up from $320, $370 just a few years ago. Oshawa resale units fetch $360, $400 per square foot, while Clarington's new projects start around $380. New builds command a 10–20% premium for modern features and higher clear heights. Resale units can offer great value if well located and maintained. Pickering leads in demand and price thanks to its Toronto proximity. Oshawa is revitalizing, Whitby and Ajax offer balance, and Clarington is the next growth frontier. Each area has unique opportunities depending on your strategy. The stats show a market on the rise, don't miss it. When it comes to industrial condos in Durham Region, the question isn't if you should invest, but where should you focus your attention? With so many areas experiencing rapid growth and development, Pinpointing the hottest zones can be the key to maximizing your returns. Pickering remains a prime location, especially for businesses that rely on efficient transportation. Its proximity to highways 401 and 407 makes it an ideal hub for logistics and distribution. High-quality projects like Pickering Commerce Park tend to sell out incredibly fast, reflecting the strong demand in the area. Keep a close watch for announcements of new phases or developments in this sought-after location. Oshawa is experiencing a significant boom, driven by its strategic location and growing economy. The areas near the Oshawa Airport and along the 401 corridor are seeing particularly strong uptake, attracting a diverse range of businesses. This area offers excellent connectivity and accessibility. The Harmony Creek Business Center is a standout example of the modern, well-designed industrial spaces available in Oshawa. Furthermore, the northern industrial parks in Oshawa present opportunities for those seeking value-driven industrial properties. Whitby and Ajax boast well-established industrial areas, providing a solid foundation for businesses looking for stability and proven infrastructure. These areas are also experiencing new developments, but it's important to note that there's consistently strong demand, meaning any new supply is quickly absorbed by the market. If you're considering Whitby, pay close attention to the areas south of the 401 and in close proximity to the 412 interchange. This area is becoming a key industrial corridor. Ajax's southern industrial corridor remains a solid and reliable choice for industrial investment. Don't overlook the potential of resale units in these established areas. They can often represent a smart and cost-effective entry point into the market. Looking ahead, Clarington is poised to be the next big wave in Durham Region's industrial growth. Specifically, Bowmanville and Courtice are primed and ready for significant industrial expansion in the coming years. Ambitious developers are already making plans for new industrial parks, with projects like the Clarington Enterprise Gateway leading the way. By becoming early movers and investing in these emerging areas, you could position yourself to see significant upside potential as the region continues to develop and attract new businesses. Industrial condos, a unique opportunity for both business owners and investors. But how can you specifically benefit from investing in or purchasing an industrial condo? Let's explore the advantages. For business owners, industrial condos present a compelling alternative to traditional leasing. Owning your space means building equity over time, transforming your monthly payments into a valuable asset, and gaining long-term stability for your business operations. Say goodbye to unpredictable rent hikes and the constant uncertainty of lease renewals. No more rent hikes or lease uncertainty disrupting your budget. Enjoy complete control over your workspace and the ability to customize your space to perfectly suit your business needs, enhancing efficiency and productivity. There are significant tax advantages too, making ownership even more appealing. Mortgage interest payments, property taxes and many operating expenses can often be deducted from your taxable income, further reducing your financial burden. As property values rise in a growing market like Durham, so does your net worth, providing a solid foundation for your financial future. For investors, industrial condos offer the potential for strong cash flow from rental income and significant appreciation over time. These properties often boast low vacancy rates and the opportunity to secure long-term tenants, ensuring a stable and predictable rental income stream. Carefully decide if your primary goal is to maximize immediate cash flow or to prioritize long-term capital growth through appreciation. To navigate the market effectively, work closely with a local real estate expert who understands the nuances of the Durham industrial condo market. Secure your financing in advance to be ready to make a competitive offer. Get your financing ready. In a competitive market, you need to be prepared to act fast and decisively when you find the right unit that meets your criteria. Before diving in, take the time to thoroughly assess your specific business or investment needs and goals. Being well prepared with your financing, market knowledge, and clear objectives is absolutely key to success in this fast-moving market. Whether you're a business owner seeking stability and control, or an investor looking for strong returns, industrial condos in Durham represent a smart and strategic play. The opportunity to capitalize on this growing market is here right now. Don't wait and risk missing out. That's a wrap. The window to get into Durham's industrial condo market is closing fast, supply is tight, and demand keeps outpacing new construction. Thank you for tuning in today. Let us know what you think about this video. Like, subscribe and share this video to help other business owners and investors be successful. Reach out to me and my team today. We specialize in finding the right spaces for your venture. Let's make sure your business works for you, not against you. Until next time, stay savvy and never let the good deals pass you by. See you in the next one.